No, not yet. Hey y'all, I'm doing a special thing for y'all.
Mine isn't on, I'm just going with you.
Okay. This is brought to you by Honda because my bike is not made by Honda. Just a good sponsor. Get your car there. As you see, this is my third lap. Coming rough on these ramps. It's a lot harder than it looks. She is a car. This is called, get these ramps at Toys R Us. I think they're around $10. Good ramps. And it's by Vico. Good bike ramps. If you want to ride bikes over ramps, use a Vico. I don't know. Doing this really good. Me and my assistant skip that first ramp and just head right for the second one. Sorry, man. Tough one. Tough ramp. I see I fell there. A little bit tough on the cork. Now this ain't no X Games or nothing. Aveka, you want those ramps?
This is my partner, Riley.
This is my lap, my fifth lap. This is my fifth lap right here. My last lap, and there's my sister back there.
Yeah, I don't think it saw me.
A little bit rusty on that ramp. I don't think I can get a good one on this. Yeah, I got it down. This is my last lap. Hey, it's my 7th lap. My last lap right here. Victory lap here. Over these awesome ramps. Sweet, y'all.
I'm gonna cut in front of you.
There's my assistant. She just cut ahead of me so I can get her on these ramps. I skipped that one. I wasn't in good position. And that is a Vico ramps on bike. See you later, y'all. Here's my assistant's celebratory lap. She also has it videotaped. Let me just scoop around. Y'all consider come back. And there we go. I'll show you. I'll get you a good view of me going on this ramp. Pretty darn scary, man. Can't get a good view. Got it out. Thanks for tuning in to my video. Make sure to comment and watch all my videos. And just, well, okay. Y'all want to see me do one more time? Here we go. See, I missed it there. I'm going to go down my little ramp right here. And then bring it back to my house. And as you see over here, it's brought to you by Honda right there, man. Check it out, and thanks for tuning in. Bye. Check it out, man.